Hello guys and welcome to volokinproject. In today's video we're going to talk about a serious issue I'm having with the Honor Note 10, the brand new 7-inch monster from China, and here's why you shouldn't buy this phone. Okay guys, so that's my 2-week-old now Honor Note 10. Since the third day of usage with this case, the phone is in absolutely mint condition. I started having this underneath the camera glass over here. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Check the amount of dust underneath this camera glass, guys. Now I'm just gonna get this cloth and I'm just gonna wipe it down like that, so I'm making sure that there's nothing on top. And check this out. How bad is that, guys? And the problem is that, well, the warranty doesn't want to cover that, so the only option I've got is to fix it myself. But the problem I have is that I'm not sure whether this dust is coming from that seal over here. If it's that seal, that's okay, you just take out the glass and you fix the seal somehow with a glue or whatever. But the problem is that if the dust is coming from this side over here, I'm just gonna have to disassemble basically the whole phone and see what the problem is inside. But having spent £400 on a new phone, I shouldn't have been dealing with those issues, especially consider something else. This, ladies and gentlemen, is 15-year-old Sony Ericsson T610. And as you can see, it definitely had a hard life. It's currently in non-working condition. It's been chewed by the dog over here. And yeah, you can see how terrible it is. And if you look closely, it doesn't really have any dust particles underneath the camera lens. So 15 years old, beaten up like that, no dust particles, £400 phone and full of that dust once again over here underneath the camera glass. This is not acceptable. The point is that on the third day I got dust underneath the camera glass over here. Straight away I went to Twitter, I've tagged all the Honor accounts I could find, at least the bigger ones. I've submitted a picture saying that, hey guys, I've got dust underneath the camera glass. How is that possible? And basically I got no reply whatsoever. That's one of the downsides of being a small YouTuber with just about 100 followers, something like that. No one really cares about what problems do you have or what is your opinion of any topic basically, and the companies are just gonna keep ignoring you. And that's why I'm posting this video, because I've contacted T-Global Central, the place that I bought the phone from, and I told them, guys, I've got this and that issue with the phone. I submitted the photos. I waited a few days, they came back to me, and let's see what they have actually said, guys. I'm just gonna read it on my phone over here. We're sorry that our warranty will not be covering this type of issue due to mishandling. Alright, and I've replied, actually mishandling? How do you think that the dust particles got inside the lens? There's clearly a manufacturing defect, as no other phone I've ever had dust like that. And they've replied, citing their warranty terms and conditions: damage caused by impact, shock, fall, sand, dust, dirt, dampness, blah blah blah, and this and that, lightning or any other weather conditions are not covered by the warranty. Basically, I waited a few days, I waited for their reply. This is the official reply that I got. Basically, dust particles are not covered by your warranty. Now I'm having autofocus issues on the camera already, and the phone costs £400, guys. So in my opinion, things like that shouldn't be happening to any new phone, because what kind of testing did you do to that phone? I mean, if your beta testers are so bad, hire somebody like me. I'm gonna put it in my pocket and see if anything gets inside. But that's the first phone ever that I'm getting this kind of issues. And the thing is that there's the Xiaomi Mi Max 3, similar camera setup over here, no dust, absolutely nothing, no problems whatsoever. Literally those two phones, one has been in my left pocket, the other one in my right pocket. So I'm not getting problems with the Xiaomi, I'm getting problems with the Honor. So if you're on a hunt for a big phone, the Honor Note 10, don't buy this phone right now, guys. £400 and you're getting dust inside your camera glass is definitely not worth it. So help me out to spread the word, tell your friends, tag the media, tag everybody, let people know that there is a manufacturing defect with this phone so they don't buy it now. If they come up with a statement, if they fix it, like let's say BlackBerry fixed their popping up screen last year on the BlackBerry Key 1, then yes, the phone might be good to go. But as it is right now, because the market is flooded with this first batch of devices, don't buy this phone to avoid autofocusing and camera problems with this phone. So again, share with everybody, let the world know. So yeah, thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Adios.